A small update for the Honor 7 Pro. In order to get maximum AI effect, you have to press the AI button, which should appear somewhere. There it is, AI, and I didn't do that in a previous video. And you have to be online all the time because it will download the, will recognize, I mean, it's doing something online. Let me show you those pictures.
Like you love JT back in '03, up on MTV on a stage wearing shoes made of diamonds, singing songs about you like a siren. No, I won't be what you seem to need, cause I don't see what you seem to see. Ain't got troops in a crowd all united, ain't got you screaming loud and excited. I can't ever be the backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, I'm not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part, no, I ain't got Nikes and my hair ain't spiky, and we both know that I can't be your backstreet boy. You'll never want me like you want CDs from the 90s, like you want Mac Clean, and I can't say to your face I don't want it that way. You seem stuck in the decade that you were born.
Where would you use such a photo? Those photos looks like old painting. It's cool, but maybe next generation of AI will give us a more live looking experience. This is like, I don't know. Let me know in the comment below. Where would you use such an AI photo? See you next video. Link in the description.